Hello folks, Jose with Sailboats and Travel, bringing you a walkthrough of a beautiful 2008 Beneteau 43. This is a special boat just because it has been repowered, so you're getting a brand new Yamaha engine with only 184 hours on it. So you are getting a boat that all the heavy lifting has been done, is beautiful, is clean, and is ready for cruising. So let me take you around and show you the Beneteau 43. All right, folks, that concludes our walkthrough of this beautiful Beneteau 43. This boat is available for sale at Massey Yacht Sales in Palmetto, Florida. For additional information, call the number below or subscribe to our channel. You'll get additional information regarding this boat. Boat is listed for $175,000 and is currently at Little Harbor Marina, but pretty soon it's going to be moved to Regatta Point Marina in Palmetto, probably after the first of the year. So with that, folks, thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.